Here I have Motorola Moto Z2 Play, and let me show you how to check IMEI number on this device by using a different method. So at the very beginning, let's open the phone's dialer. Let me show you how to check it by using a secret code. So let's use *#06* and the IMEI number just pops up right here. As you can see, the device has two IMEI numbers because here you can insert two nano SIM cards. You may also check the IMEI and serial number by using settings. So let's open the settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose the About Phone. Afterwards, here you have to choose status, the second option, and here you've got information about your serial number, Bluetooth address, Wi-Fi MAC address, IP address. You may also choose the IMEI information when you can read the IMEI number of the device. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.